Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country, but with certain duties. Work is undoubtedly worship, but laughter is life. Anyone who takes life too seriously must prepare himself for a miserable existence. Anyone who greets joys and sorrows with equal facility can really get the best of life. The negligence of a few could easily send a ship to the bottom, but if it has the wholehearted cooperation of all on board, it can be safely brought to port. Non-violence has to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our non-violence will be the measure of our success. A war based on satyagraha is always of two kinds. One is the war we wage against injustice, and the other we fight our own weaknesses. Faith is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength, both are essential to accomplish any great work. By common endeavor we can raise the country to a new greatness, while a lack of unity will expose us to fresh calamities. Little pools of water tend to become stagnant and useless, but if they are joined together to form a big lake, the atmosphere is cooled and there is universal benefit. My only desire is that India should be a God producer and no one should be hungry, shedding tears for food in the country. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power.